Good morning. Welcome to Artsfest. My name is Sarah Smith, and I'm a student at Conservatory with Miss Heather. And today I'm going to be singing a song that I wrote, and it's dedicated to all the working women out there. And the bridge has a little shout out to the working guys. So semi-equal opportunity. So this is called Ordinary Girl. She wakes up bright and early, gets her children off to school. In between 2 cups of coffee, and she's got a job to do. You might find her in a meeting or fighting traffic on the street. You won't find her on the cover of a fashion magazine. She's just making her way every ordinary day. She keeps the wheels turning here in this ordinary world. And there's no paparazzi lights in this ordinary life. And she's proud to be an ordinary girl. She just might teach her children, and maybe heal a broken bone. Maybe she runs her own business, or she might have built your home. You might find her seeking justice, or fighting hard to keep you safe. You won't find her cutting corners for the cheap thrill of fame. She's just making her way every ordinary day. She keeps the wheels turning here in this ordinary world. And there's no paparazzi lights in this ordinary life. And she's proud to be ordinary girl. She used to dream she would live happily ever after. Now together with Prince Charming, she's the princess of this world they built together. And she's making her way every ordinary day. She keeps the wheels turning here in this ordinary world. And there's no paparazzi lights in this ordinary life. And she's proud to be an ordinary girl. Always gonna be proud to be an ordinary girl. Thank you.